Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrative account and a recent backup. This prevents data loss if you need to roll back. Next, capture any error codes from Event Viewer or Windows security notifications so you know what to target. Open Services to view Windows Security Service status. Keep Task Manager and Windows Update settings ready. Once done, pause and verify network connectivity and Windows build number so you run the correct troubleshooting steps and avoid mismatched fixes. You will run sfc/scano, then dism restore health to repair corrupted system files that often break security services. These commands fix underlying issues. After that, inspect the Windows Security Service and its dependencies in Services. Start or set them to automatic if needed. Make sure registry keys for Windows Security and related services are present and correct. Export before editing. Once you restart impacted services, apply pending Windows updates to ensure compatibility and stability, which often resolves lingering faults. You finish by rebooting and verifying Windows Security reports a healthy status in the Security app and Event Viewer shows no new errors. If problems persist, create a new administrative user or use system, restore to a point before the issue. These steps isolate profile corruption or recent changes. If that fails, gather the logs you recorded and contact Microsoft support. Provide specific error codes, DISM and SFC outputs, and Event Viewer entries so they can diagnose deeper driver or OS component failures efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.